Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and what we're seeing here, you got the red line here. That's the 50-day exponential moving average. You saw on Thursday it be resistance. Thursday's pop that was then sold hard was a failed test of the 50-day exponential moving average. Bounced on Friday. Yesterday we put in a really wide range day, but the high failed again at the 50-day exponential moving average. So the 50-day is resistance until it's not. We're seeing some, we're down 6 handles in the overnight. That doesn't tell me much. We had the lows yesterday in the 97 area. The weekly pivot comes in at 2015.10. We've had multiple attempts overnight to break above 2022. Those attempts have all been unsuccessful. What I'll be looking for today in the regular session is whether we can get up over that 22 area, which then sets up a move back into the 50-day, which is coming in currently at basically 2025 even. You've got last week's weekly pivot, 2026.60, which was a very important area. So you've got 25 to 27 really is being viewed by me as a resistance zone. If they can get over that resistance zone, I think the move up to the green line there, the middle Bollinger Band, the 20-day simple moving average, will come pretty quickly. And as I said last week, that's the true test of whether this is a sell rallies market versus a correction and a bounce that's going to take us back to new highs. If the S&P futures want to trade below the middle band, then we're in a sell rallies market. The first indication for me that that is most likely the case is the fact that we broke this 84.25 low that we put in back on January the 6th. This was an area that needed to hold. What we've seen time and time again during the course of this uptrend is areas like 84.25 test and hold and create what I call floors underneath the market. This entire uptrend from December 2012 has been built on floors. The inability of 84.25 to establish itself as a floor then opens up a test of the next potential floor. That is right here, 1961.5. So what we're seeing is sell rallies. We saw a move as low as 70.25. So could this potentially be a higher low versus 61? Potentially, yes. The trouble is you already made a higher low here at 84.25, but that higher low didn't hold. So that tells me that the likelihood of a full retest of the 61 area is pretty likely. And that puts the bulls into something that they don't really control right now, which is why you're seeing just about every rally get sold. And the fact that the bulls can put together 10, 20, 30, sometimes 40 handle rallies that still get sold is the most telling indication for me that this tape is something different than what we've seen in the past. So watch 22, watch 97 on the downside. We'll see how it plays out today. But overall, an eventual test of the 61 area is the most likely scenario on my stuff. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Chat room now has web access, live charts, mobile access to view the chat, and we're doing all that in real time. So it's very exciting. We've had a lot of new people sign up, and they really love, what's kind of a next step for us. It's a long way from email updates, and it's a long way from a dedicated Twitter stream. Now we got the chat room. Now we got the chat room, charts, audio, and we've got read access to the chat from any device out there. So come check it out. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.